Are you struggling to get your first 1,000 followers? Are you stuck getting only 200 views and having no followers? And in this video, I'm going to help you get to 1,000 followers on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever it is that you are sharing your content. I'm going to share with you some universal tips to help you grow your content. Tip number 1, ask your friends and family. Share your content with them. Your loved ones are going to care the most about your content, not because it's good content, but because it's you. Ask them to look at it. Ask them to follow your accounts. Ask them to share it with people. Ask them for feedback on your content. Your friends, family, loved ones, the people closest to you, they are going to tell you the truth. Ask them what could be improved, what they like, what they dislike. Whether they like that content or not in general, the category, the niche, the topic of the content is irrelevant. They care about you. So they'll watch the content for you, and then they'll actually be honest with you. Not a lot of people will be honest with you, but your loved ones, ask them to share it with their friends, because your aunt may have somebody that really likes trains that you don't know about, and you love trains, and so you're making a YouTube channel about trains, and you don't know this, but your aunt goes to book club with a lady who loves trains. If you don't ask your aunt to look at your content, guess what? That lady in her book club may never see your content, and she may be your #1 fan. So share it with your friends and family. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, make friends with creators in the same niche that you're in. And not just that, try to target people who are the same level as you. If you have 0 to 1,000, start targeting people who have 0 to 1,000 followers or 0 to 2,000 followers. Those are the people you should be following and engaging with, commenting on their posts, liking them, answering questions that other people are asking in their comments that they haven't yet answered or have been unable to answer. But engage with them. Maybe send those creators DM. Send them a DM. Be like, hey, I love your content. Maybe we could do a collaboration sometime. See what happens. Networking is the key in content creation, especially at the small levels. At the lower levels, it's key. When you interact with other people, the algorithms then go, oh, hey, this guy's actually really into this stuff, and this guy's into this stuff. Maybe their content actually goes together. Maybe the people who watch this guy's content will like watching this guy's content. That's tip number 2. Make friends with other creators. Help boost them up so that they can help boost you up, even unintentionally. You don't have to be like, hey guys, go follow this dude, to your 10 viewers. You don't have to. Just engaging in the community, the larger community that you're trying to tap into, helps you and helps them. Tip number 3, use AI. I'm getting tired of saying it. AI is here, like it or not. You don't have time to go make videos, but you want to share something? Use AI. Heck, you don't even have to use the AI prompt generator. Like you can go into Bith.ai, you can click on video generator, and then you can just type in a prompt. It can be anything. You can say hello and see what it spits out at you for the script. Once you've selected your the tone and the voice and background music or not, see what it spits out at you for the script, and then just input your own script. Actually, I think there's now a button that lets you just skip over the whole prompt thing and go straight to typing your own script. You can even just write your own script and let the AI just create the video based on that script. Whatever information you want to share, you can be using AI to do it. Go ahead and try it out, guys. Seriously, go try it out. Whatever content you want to make, try using AI. It'll take a huge load off your plate. It'll get you started today. Even if it's not the content you ultimately end up doing long term, if you do it for 6 months and it gains you followers, we have a lot of users right now who make money using Bith.ai to create content for them to post on social media and TikTok and get paid. Why aren't you doing it? Why are you still not trying Bith.ai and leveraging AI in your content creation journey? All right, tip number 4, make SEO content. I've said this before too, and a lot of people say it. When you're starting out, make content that is searchable, particularly on YouTube. YouTube is a search engine. Make content that people can search for. And it doesn't matter. It's not just YouTube, TikTok and Instagram too. Your bio gets indexed in search results. The captions on your videos get indexed in search results, both on their platforms on Google. You could be getting discovered in so many ways that you're not even aware of, but you're not using SEO. You're not thinking about search engine optimization. You're not thinking about keywords or any of that. The algorithms are great, but they can only get you so far. So for every 3 videos you make, try to make one that is SEO driven. So tip number 5, post more. Be consistent. Flood the platforms that you're using with your content. I mean, don't overdo it. If you're spammy, nobody's gonna like that. But you can. There's a really nice area between inconsistent and spammy, and you want to be in there where you're posting enough content that the algorithm goes, hey, this guy's serious. He puts out a lot of content, or she puts out a lot of content. Her content's amazing. This guy puts out 1 video every 6 months. Who wants to follow this guy? These 3 people followed him because he put out an awesome video, and then he didn't post for 4 months. And when his next video came out, it was a totally different subject. And those 3 people, they unfollowed him, so I'm not gonna show him to anybody else. That's what the algorithm thinks. So be consistent. Are those 5 tips. If you do those 5 things, you should grow to 1,000 followers relatively quickly. Now here's the thing. You use AI to make your content, making the content super easy all of a sudden. The rest of it, managing the account, interacting with the people who interact with your content, finding other people in the same niche as you to interact with, interacting with their content, following them, liking their posts, exchanging DMs, that is time consuming, but necessary. So go out and do it. Use AI to make the content part everybody thinks is hard. Make that super easy using AI. Thank you so much, guys. If you liked the video, please like it. Comment down below what I said that you agreed with. Comment down below what I said that you disagreed with. Share it with a friend, and I will see you next time.